Every grain begins with a journey from the soil.
These tiny grains become the foundation of millions of meals. Technology transforms the harvest into an efficient process.
Inside the machine, every grain is carefully collected. Quality begins before the wheat reaches the factory. Now the harvested wheat begins its industrial journey. After harvest, the wheat begins its long journey toward transformation. After days of growth and hours of harvesting, wheat begins its journey beyond the fields. From farms to factories, every step matters.
Before production begins, every delivery follows strict safety checks.
Here, raw wheat begins its transformation.
Every batch is checked before entering production. The first industrial step is cleaning and preparation.
Only the best grains continue forward. Precision decides the quality of the final product. And only the best grains continue forward.
Strict testing ensures every package meets standards.
The journey from grain to product is almost complete. A simple grain becomes a finished product. From a field of wheat to homes around the world.
Before reaching consumers, the flour is tested for perfection.
After milling, every batch of flour must pass strict quality checks. Before reaching consumers, the flour is tested for perfection.
Science ensures every grain meets the highest standards. After approval, the flour moves toward its final form. Precision machines prepare every package with accuracy. The journey from wheat grain becomes a finished product. From production lines, the flour begins its journey to the world.
That's the last one for today. Good work, everyone. Let's head back inside.
Every grain carries a story that begins with nature.
From a simple grain to the food that connects the world.